Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel SNT Power Vision. In this video, I'll explain about the cross filter function here. So obvious first question here is what is the cross filter function, how it works here. So first we'll go for its definition, then I'll explain with the example how it works. Here basically the cross filter function determines the direction of the cross filtering to be utilized in a calculation for a two column relationship here. And this function leverages existing relationship in the model to specify the cross-filtering direction for the indicated relationship, distinguish relationship by their ending point column here. And if you talk about its syntax is the cross-filter, column name 1, column name 2, then the direction here. Direction it will be single or both. So now we'll see with the example. So let's come to the Power BI dashboard here. So this is one of the our report here. Now here this is basically this column count of customer key here. Here we can see the same value for 18,148 for all the country like United States, Australia, United Kingdom, Canada. So we'll go to the data model and we see how it work here. Now for that we will go to the data model. Here this is our territory column under which we have the country. Now if we see from the country we can go to the sales, that is the joint. We can see its property here. Property one to many, and we are moving from territory to the cells. After that, since we have to get the number of customer for the respective country, so from the cells we have to go to the customers here. So here from the territory to cells it is one to many here, and cross filter direction single here. But now again from sales to get the count of customer we have to go to the customer table here. But here since it is a single direction here we cannot go here, since because we are moving from customer to sales, but here we have to go from the sales to customer here. So what is the option for that? So one option is change its property here. Go to the property. Now it is sales, customer, many to one, cross filter direction single. Now we will change it to both. So now it has been changed to both here. Now we'll see, we'll go to the report again. Yes. Now it has been changed. Count of customer key for each country. United States 3920, TG per country 3920. For Australia 2565 to here. So now, okay, we are getting the exact number of customer for the respective country here. But if you but in some projects, suppose client don't want to impact the relationship between the table, then what will be our approach here? Basically, what happens this cross filter direction both it impact the performance of the overall model. performance of the overall model only. It make our data model slow here. So what will be our approach here? So client said, no, 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 don't have to change the model here, means property of the relationship here. Do it another way only. So what will be the option here? In that case, we have, so better make it change it to the single way. Then we'll come to that. So we'll change it from both to single again. Means whatever changes we have done, we'll make it reverse. Now, okay. So again here, okay, count of customer again came back to the old number 18148 here. But now we'll see how this TG per customer work here. So for that, so we'll see the how the DAX function have been written here. As this is the DAX function written here. TG per country is equal to calculate, count, customers, after that target customer, after that very important, that is the cross filter here, then customers, customer key, sales, customer key, both. So I'll explain this line actually here what does it means here. Here first thing is the calculate here, right? Calculate is the normal container function here. After what we are taking out, that is the count of customer, target customer here, right? After that, after count of customer key, we are using the filter cross filter function here. In cross filter function, we have to mention the joint column between two here, like sales table, customer table. We go to the data model here. Yeah, from the sales table and the customer table. This is the customer key here. Customer key, that is the column, means a common column between the two table. Here after the cross filter direction, customers customer key, sales customer key. This is the common column name between both the table here. After the cross filter direction, both here. So by default it is both here. We'll make it. Also it will not hinder the model performance also. But as I said, since if we have changed the property of the relationship means cross filter direction to both, it is impacting the model performance and it is making our data model slow here. But by this method like cross filter function only, it will never means affect the performance of our data model only. So this is about the cross filter function DAX here. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel S&T Power Vision. Thank you.